Well, here we are. 360 is in, transmission is in. I know everybody's going to notice that the headers are not in there. Reason being is I don't want to mess up my ceramic coating on those because I'm working alone in an old knuckle dragger. I don't have any help. So here I am. Engine is in, no problems, no issues, just swung it in one time and that was it. Good to go. Just got to take your time, guys. And these headers, when you want to put them in, drop the back of your transmission, hook up your hoist, lift your engine up, take your spark plugs out, take your oil filter off, slip them up through the bottom on both sides. The driver's side, as you know, on these old style headers, you have to disconnect your drag link and your tie rod, and the steering link runs between the pipes. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but that's the way it is. But it is what it is. It's an A-body. Everything went good. I'm going to show you now the cutout that I did in a previous video and where the shifter will come through. You should look just like that. Just like that. And life is good. If you cut it out just the way I showed you, you'll be fine. When you put your floor plate back on it, you'll be right there. Your shifter will come right up where you need it to be, and you're good to go. The thing is, today I'm taking a day off because I'm sore from yesterday. Again, like I said, working alone, it's not easy sometimes. I have to put my clutch linkage back on. I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably not. Everything has to go on. I get all my parts, all my transmission parts come from Brewers. This is what I need to do next. This needs to be welded onto the frame rail. This has to go on the bell housing. This is my clutch adjuster. This is the other ball stud for this. And I have all my shifter clips and all that stuff. This is the torque shaft parts. The only thing that I need left to get is I'm using this old bell housing just for a mock-up for my this. I gotta get the right size bolts. I don't have any here, even with containers and buckets full of Mopar bolts. I still have to get something. But yeah, myself, all in one shot. Just got to take your time, be careful, raise your engine as high as you need it, roll your car under it, lower it down, roll it in some more, lower it down. I know that, you know, a lot of you guys already know how to do this stuff, but there's guys that don't. And those are the ones that I like to try and help out. There's, I don't know if you can see that or not. There it is down there under the steering column. I have to get that in. I have to put the starter in. The header's got to go in, as we already talked about. It'll be ready to go soon, I hope. I want to start stirring some gears this year. Sick of automatics on the street. I like to stir them. I'm old. But that's where I'm at right now, guys. Hope I helped you in some way, shape, or form. I know that I'm not the most I don't have a melodious voice, and I'm not very good at explaining things. But like I said in previous videos, if you need any help or anything like that, just message me. It's really not hard stuff to do, especially if you got some help. I have to do these fuel lines and stuff too. These really need to be changed out, and the tank needs to be drained. It's been sitting here for over a year. Anything else? I'd probably forgetting something. But thanks for watching. Have a good one, guys.